Let's make a quick summary of the U.S. Army Ranger Regiment and their units, people, training, and missions. Ranger Regiment is assigned under U.S. Army Special Operations Command, or USASOC, which is the Army's component of the U.S. Special Operations Command, or SOCOM. The regimental headquarters is located at Fort Benning, Georgia. The Special Troops Battalion and the 3rd Ranger Battalion, known as 3rd Bat, are also located at Fort Benning, Georgia. 2nd Battalion is located at JBLM, or Joint Base Lewis McChord, and 1st Bat is located at Hunter Army Airfield, Georgia. Rangers are men who have a GT score of 105 or higher, who can pass physical and medical screening, and who are able to obtain a secret clearance. The regiment is mainly composed of 11 Bravo infantrymen and 11 Alpha infantry officers, but like all other infantry units, they also have enlisted men and special staff officers from other military occupational specialties. They have medics, logistical officers, military intelligence officers, etc. What makes the Rangers so special is that every soldier is specifically selected and screened, Ranger qualified, and remarkably intense. If they don't like your attitude or performance, they send you packing. This ensures that only the best and most intense soldiers remain. Every volunteer for the regiment, from the new recruit to the senior leader, goes through the Ranger Assessment and Selection Program, known as RASP. RASP assesses their abilities and provides the basic skills required to be an effective member of the 75th Ranger Regiment. Soldiers ranking from private through sergeant attend RASP 1, an 8-week course that trains soldiers in the basic skills and tactics required to operate within the 75th Ranger Regiment. Officers, warrant officers, and staff sergeants through command sergeants major must attend RASP 2, which is a 3-week course focused on selecting the best leaders from across the Army. This course assesses the suitability of mid and senior grade leaders for assignment to the regiment and teaches them the operational techniques and standards of the Ranger Regiment. Before serving in a leadership role within the regiment, Rangers are also expected to attend and graduate from Ranger School. Members of the 75th Ranger Regiment enjoy unparalleled access to countless military schools, including Jumpmaster, Sniper, Pathfinder, Military Freefall, Scuba, and Survival Evasion Resistance and Escape. The 75th Ranger Regiment is the U.S. Army's premier light infantry unit, with specialized skills that enable the regiment to perform a variety of missions. These missions include direct action raids, airfield seizures, special reconnaissance, destroying strategic facilities, and capturing or killing enemies of the nation. I don't know how many of you have ever fast roped or sat with your feet dangling from a helicopter, but as you can imagine, being a Ranger is not for the faint of heart. My cousin Steve served in 1st Ranger Battalion for a tour in Afghanistan and Iraq. Then he got out, finished school, and is now an investment broker with a billion-dollar company. In his honor, I am using the 1st Ranger Battalion scroll for my video. Okay, there you have it, an executive summary of the 75th Ranger Regiment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to forward to a friend who needs to know this. Rangers lead the way.